Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, which will bring down your toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle, which should look like a chain link if I remember correctly on here. But I don't see that. So we're going to click right here on edit. And let's scroll down and look for the hotspot. I'm pretty sure it should be somewhere here. Oh, there we go. Yes, there it is. So I was just kind of a little bit blind. So anyway, once you see the hotspot toggle, you can click on the plus next to it, click on the check mark right here in the corner, and this will add the toggle. From here, you will be able to just pull down your toggles and tap on it to turn it on and off. But before you do that, I recommend holding this toggle, as this will quickly take you to the settings. Here you want to select set up portable hotspot, and right under password, you can click on this little eye icon so you can see the password. And what I recommend doing is actually just straight up getting rid of it altogether and setting up your own password. This one is randomly generated and not very fun to type. So I'll get rid of it and then set up my own password, which will need to have 8 characters in length at least. And that can be letters or numbers or both. And below that we have a couple additional options, though I recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this will ensure that the hotspot works with the widest array of the devices. Now make sure you click on the check mark once you have changed some settings to save the changes. Now we can close this, pull down your toggles again, and this time around simply click on the toggle. And there we go, you can now connect to your hotspot whenever you want. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.